take a look at the roots. Can you believe how big it looks? This is my GROWELL hydroponic system and I absolutely love it. I have no more excuses not to grow indoors. And I really like this because this is going to give me the opportunity to grow for months. I live in zone 7B, New York City, and it gets very cold, especially during October and November and January. It is freezing. So this is really going to allow me to extend my growing season. I have lettuce, I have string beans that really need to come out of here. And this is really great for fruits, vegetables, and even flowers. And if you are an herb addict, you're going to love this system because this system is perfect for herbs also. This is the first time I'm opening this box. I'm seeing what's inside. Lift this up like this, and this gets removed. It'd be nice if they told us that, but I had a hard time figuring it out. So it has the Happy Gardening seed pods. It comes with some other items to help the seeds grow. This is a water tank support bar, and you're gonna place the bar right in there and snap it in like this. Also comes with a water plug, and they want you to put it in this nozzle right here. If you look in the back, push it in like that. I turned on the power system. It has blue, red, and white, and it has a vegetable mode, a fruit and flower mode, and it has an herb mode. And this is the base that you put in. So it comes with these pods right here, and so you have to soak this for 5 minutes before you put this in. Also, it does not come with seeds. The most important thing is that you have to soak your seeds for 6 hours. This has covers for the pods. You have tweezers to put the seeds in the in this pod, and you also have some labels too. So if you don't have a really steady hand, this may be pretty difficult for you. So make it perfect. This is right here is where you put the water in, and it give you a full scope of what it looks like. I have the grow lights on for 16 hours. There's 3 modes. There's 16, 18, and 22, and it rotates back and forth. I decided to use the 16-hour grow light because I am growing some herbs and I am growing some lettuce. This has been growing about 3 weeks, maybe even a month. It started slow. I'm gonna be honest, it did start slow. The first thing that started really quick were the beans, and you can see the beans are growing right underneath the grow light. Right here, I have 2 beans, and I placed another bean right here. You can see that it is growing. Now, the reason why I did beans is because I wanted something immediately. The lettuce was taking really, really long. You can see the lettuce is right here, and what I noticed is that I had to put a lot of lettuce seeds in there because if you just put one might not germinate. I'm also growing kale, and I'm also growing some cilantro. What I love about this is that you don't need soil. Lots of times I don't want to go outside when it's in the fall, and sometimes I don't even want to deal with dirt. But the fact is that everything here is grown hydroponically, meaning you use water instead of soil. And this is the GROWELL hydroponic system. You can move it up like that. It grows with the plants. Now, this system also comes with a pump that is circulating the water because you don't want the water to get stale. So there's a pump built inside that is circulating the water and making sure that there is proper airflow and good circulation for the roots that are growing inside. And the good thing is, now the moment of truth, I'm going to show you some of the roots and you won't believe what you'll see. I mean, I was kind of surprised how well they're growing in this hydroponic system. Take a look at the roots. Holy moly, it just keeps coming out. Okay, let's see right there. I hope you can see it. Oh, Whoa, just take a look at the roots. Can you believe how big it looks? This can go literally in the ground like now, which I think I'm gonna remove this plant because this plant I think has really outgrown this hydroponic system. But if you decide to grow beans, this is what it's going to look like. Wow. I'm gonna try to put this back really carefully because it needs to go back, but really, really impressive. That means that these roots are really enjoying this hydroponic system. GROWELL also gave me plant food because you can't just have a hydroponic system and grow seeds and roots in it and expect it to flourish. You need some type of nutrients. So this is the plant food that I put in once a week. They're recommending that once the roots start to develop, that's when you use this plant food in combination together once a week. Greens really do well growing in this system, and they say fruits also do well. So I'm really anxious to try tomatoes. I think I'm going to do that when the weather is warmer, possibly in the spring. Hopefully you can tell that this is something that you may want to consider if you do live in a colder climate like myself, or even if you don't live in a colder climate, even if you live in a warm climate, if you want to try a hydroponic system like this one, you can see the results. It does work. Again, you can start with all these types of greeneries, herbs, rosemary, cilantro, lettuce, kale. Before I would delay my indoor growing season, but now I have no excuse because all of it is right here at my fingertips. There's a grow light, there's nutrients being provided for the system, so I have no excuses not to indoor garden and grow all season long. So I'm really, really happy with this product. If you would like more information on this product, you can go to GROWELL's website at growwell.com. If you're interested in purchasing this hydroponic system, I got you. I have a discount code. You can use my discount code to get 10% off of this product. It's in the description of this video. All you have to do is plug in that specific discount code and you will get 10% off this product. Thank you so much for watching my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit that sub button, that like button, and share this video with your family or friends or anybody that is interested in a hydroponic system. You can see firsthand how it works through my video. So I would really be grateful if you shared this video and liked it and joined the family and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Keep on watching. Bye-bye.